Hi everyone, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you the benefits of using Screencast-O-Matic for remote learning. So what you can do, if I click on my Google Slides, you can see here I've been able to incorporate a lot of videos to show the kids what it is I would like them to achieve for my lessons. Also, when I'm using Screencast-O-Matic, you can actually show them on your screen an example of how you would like them to complete the lesson. So it's really handy, particularly if you want them to be reading a book on a particular website. For one of my lessons, my kids completed a Kahoots quiz. So really have a look. So in one of my lessons, the kids needed to go on code.org. So rather than me writing step by step what they needed to do, I could actually record myself showing them the website. So I could say to them, kids, go into code.org. Then you need to go into try an express course. From there, choose which age group you would like to do. So for most of the kids, it's the express course from 9 to 18. And once you are there, you are trying out the course. There are many courses that they can complete using code.org. This is just a really useful tool to show visually what you want the kids to achieve, because I know it's hard to be writing everything down or just using your voice recording. Sometimes the kids like to actually see videos of you. If you have any questions, yell out. I'm happy to help you because this is all going to be new. And perhaps once we're at school, I can even show you in a PLC. Anyway, I hope this helps you make your Seesaw tasks more exciting. Thanks everyone. Bye.